For today's demonstration, let's first open a terminal on Kali Linux, a control station, and update the system. Now install the primary dependencies for today's demonstration. Create an environment for today's demonstration. Activate the created environment like this. Now inside the environment, install the necessary packages. Now, create a file with .py extension like this for low power LEMP generation at first to test if the approach works or not. This script here does not do much useful except for generating a low power LEMP without any extra setup on running the script as shown next. Now, on running the script, first the plotted chart for the created waveform pops up, which can be closed for later reference. Now, one can see for himself that the actual LEMP waveform file is created as shown here. If anybody needs, then he can find and locate the file. Now, with this command, the LEMP waveform file can be transmitted using HackRF. The F flag used in this command is for target frequency, which in this case is 100 MHz. The X flag is for dBm, which is set at 20 as per permissible legal limit for civilian usage. It is noteworthy here that this dBm is crucial for determining range of any antenna or radar. Unfortunately, the above command was not fruitful due to the absence of necessary hardware attachment, as shown here. Now, for high power LEMP, the file shown here with the script therein is to be used with an additional device to be made using the components and circuitry overview given in the description box below for high power waveform. This waveform is useful for creating glitches on electronic devices within range. Such electronic devices are more vulnerable when the waveform burst is used more often and longer, like that happens during lightning thunderstorms. Viewing experts are requested to help in fine-tuning this approach so that the wired devices can be remotely shut down at once, like the script may do so on direct application to ports of device under test. That's it for today. I hope that this video was useful. If so, please do like the video and subscribe to this channel to support more of such videos in future. Thanks for watching.